we had these crazy catch-22 situations whereby ING would fire 5,000 people, right? And but they couldn't tell us internally that they were firing 5,000 people because it could cause the stock to plummet. So the workaround for that was they were going to have a 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Call, right, with the analysts, with the market analysts who were watching ING to tell them, listen, we're going to let go of all of these people. And then they would call us. They would tell my team, listen, you got to be in at 4 a.m. And at 4 a.m, we're going to tell you what's happening so that it doesn't give you any time to go leak this out to anyone else, right? So that it doesn't hit the market before we package it exactly the way we want to package it.
Right.
So at 4 a.m, you'll get the information and you have 2 hours to basically translate this into 8 different languages. And this email is going to go out to the whole company to let them know that 5,000 people are being let go of.
Wow.
And I was working in a department of 60 people, and I was one of 3 native English speakers in that department.
Wow.
So very often, I was literally correcting the spelling on these emails that were, or the grammar on the spelling on these emails that were going out. And because these emails were pretty central, we worked directly with the C-suite.